Hi everyone, so today I want to show you how I make my quick naan bread. So I love the flavors of the Indian cuisine and I also really love naan bread. So I find that when you buy it at the grocery store it doesn't taste the same, so that's why I make this quick and easy naan bread recipe at home and it's really good. So I start with warm water and I had the sugar and yeast, and the yeast will form a small foam on top of the water, and then in a bowl I mix the flour and the salt, and then I had the water with the yeast, and then I knead the dough. And once the mixture becomes smooth, I add oil and I continue kneading. Then I will flour my work surface, and then I take a small portion of dough, about 3 tablespoons, and I will roll it out with the rolling pin until it's about 3 millimeter thick. And I will, repeat this process until all the dough is used. And just make sure not to roll the dough too thin because it will become rubbery after cooking, so avoid that. After that, in a skillet I will put a little bit of olive oil and I will start cooking my bread, and you will see there will be air bubbles. That's totally normal, that's what we want, and I will kind of flip it once in a while, and you will see there will be like brown spots when cooking, so that's what we want. And I will cook each naan one at a time until it became just like that. Like that is perfect cooking time. So you want it to be like that. After that, I will make a little butter with coriander, and I will just put that mixture on my naan. And this is optional, you don't have to, but I think this is a really good way to eat it. So yeah, after that this is complete, and you can enjoy it with curry or butter chicken. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. The recipe will be on my blog for all the quantities. Thank you so much.